Doctors said nerve damage was permanent. She proved them wrong. The first sign was something small, a tingling in her toes. She brushed it off, blamed the cold floor. A few months later, that tingle had turned into numbness. Her balance started slipping. She tripped walking out of the grocery store, then again while climbing stairs. The doctor said it was nerve damage, likely from her diet and years of unmanaged blood sugar. That kind of damage does not just stop. It spreads, quietly, until your feet feel like concrete blocks, until your hands cannot hold a coffee cup without shaking. But this story does not end there. Because what doctors could not fix with pills, she started reversing with food. And she is not alone. To understand how some people are now rebuilding their nerves and joints using everyday food, we need to look at the ingredients that made the difference. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids form part of your brain and nerve structure. They are like insulation on electrical wires. Without them, signals from your brain to your limbs get scrambled. Studies suggest omega-3s reduce inflammation and may support nerve repair. Salmon also provides vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D are linked to a higher risk of peripheral neuropathy in people with diabetes. She added it to her meals twice a week. Grilled, simple, and within weeks, the pins and needles started to fade. Number 2. Avocados. Packed with vitamin E, healthy fats, and potassium. These nutrients reduce oxidative stress. That stress wears away the protective coating on nerves. Vitamin E may help preserve the myelin sheath, which protects nerve function. She began using avocado in her breakfast. Half a fruit a day. Her coordination improved. Shaking reduced. Number 3. Spinach. This green leaf contains magnesium. Magnesium is essential for hundreds of processes in the body. It helps muscles relax and supports nerve signal transmission. Some studies suggest it may support nerve regeneration. People with chronic blood sugar issues often lack magnesium. She threw a handful into her eggs each morning. Her leg cramps eased up. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny but powerful. They provide zinc and more magnesium. Zinc is needed for nerve health, healing, and immune function. People with chronic illness tend to have lower zinc levels. Research on animals suggests zinc supplementation may speed up nerve recovery. She kept a small jar of pumpkin seeds in the kitchen. A spoonful a day. Number 5. Acerola cherry. One of the richest sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is required to make collagen. Collagen keeps joints, tendons, and skin firm. Vitamin C also protects nerves from oxidative damage. Better nerve health means better reflexes and sensation. She blended it into smoothies, sometimes with spinach, sometimes with berries. The tingling started to fade. She felt her feet again. Frick 6. Whole eggs. Not just the whites. The yolks carry vitamin B12, choline, and vitamin D. Choline helps nerves communicate with muscles. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve repair. A deficiency can lead to numbness, weakness, and poor coordination. She began eating 2 whole eggs a day. In a few weeks, she had better grip strength, less shaking when she drove. 7. Blueberries. These small fruits contain anthocyanins. Anthocyanins support blood flow and protect tissue. Better blood flow means nutrients can reach nerves and joints. She mixed them with acerola in her morning blend. They gave her energy and improved circulation. 8. Purple corn. Used for centuries in some cultures. Like blueberries, it is rich in anthocyanins. It also contains fiber. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar. That is essential for avoiding more nerve damage. She used purple corn to make air-popped popcorn. No salt, no oil. It replaced her processed snacks and gave her something she could enjoy without guilt. 9. Movement. Even light exercise supports nerve and joint health. It boosts circulation, improves flexibility, helps nutrients get where they need to go. She started with 5 minutes a day. Walking to the mailbox, stretching before breakfast. As her nerves healed, she moved more. It was not one food, not one smoothie. It was consistency. It was layering the right nutrients one by one. Omega-3s helped calm inflammation. Magnesium supported nerve signals. Vitamin C rebuilt collagen. Antioxidants opened up blood flow. Each food played a role. Together they created change. Her feet grew more stable. Her hands became steady. She started moving like she did 10 years ago. No supplements, no fads, just food and time. Watch the next video for more of Nana's natural cures.